Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about infinite loop connector. So this is the component. So let's start now. Select the right plane and select a plane command, and distance between these two planes is 100. So this is the parallel plane. So I am going to show this right plane. So these two are parallel. Now I am going to create vertical rectangle. So select the right plane, go to sketch, so this is 60 and this is 20 and say OK. So this sketch is created now. Now I am going to select newly created plane. Select this origin and create horizontally. Now this is 60 and height is 20. And say OK. See here. Now we can hide the planes. Now I am going to create a loft. Select this loft boss and select this line and this line. See here. So we need in a twisted manner, so we have to select normal to profile in both the directions. See, this is mandatory and we don't have to change any angle, so we have to keep as it is and say OK. See here. Now select this face, go to sketch and convert entity. So the rectangle is formed. Simply extrude. So extrude is 40 and say OK. See here. So we have to make sure that this is merged. So we have to click this merge results. Similarly, we have to select this face, go to sketch, convert entity and select extrude boss. And this is 40 and say OK. Now select the fillet command. We have to select round fillet, select this first face and this middle face and the bottom face and say OK. See here. Now select fillet once again, select this face, middle face and this face. Now this is ready. Now we have to create a cutout at this place. So select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one circle. See, we have to move cursor towards this arc, so we can see the center and draw a circle. So this is 30 mm. Go to features, select extrude cut and simply through all, select through all option. See here, we have to select through all both sides and say OK. See here. Similarly, select the top plane, go to sketch, select circle, move cursor towards this arc and draw a circle at the center. And this is also 30. Say OK and create extruded cut. And through all both sides. So if you want, we can select fillet command. So let us decrease the value. See here, I have taken 2 mm. See. So this is how we create these kind of components. So this is brief about infinite loop connector. Thanks for watching.